person,
사람,
friend,
친구,
family,
가족,
man,
남자,
woman,
여자,
child,
아이,
mom,
엄마,
dad,
아빠,
older brother for a female,
오빠,
older sister for a female,
언니,
older brother for a male,
형,
older sister for a male,
누나,
younger sibling,
동생,
student,
학생,
teacher,
선생님,
doctor,
의사,
police officer,
경찰,
house,
집,
school,
학교,
company,
회사,
hospital,
병원,
bank,
은행,
market,
시장,
store,
가게,
restaurant,
식당,
cafe,
카페,
park,
공원,
bus,
버스,
subway,
지하철,
road,
길,
city,
도시,
country,
나라,
book,
책,
computer,
컴퓨터,
cell phone,
휴대폰,
bag,
가방,
clothes,
옷,
shoes,
신발,
hat,
모자,
money,
돈,
key,
열쇠,
pen,
펜,
pencil,
연필,
watch, clock,
시계,
car,
차,
bicycle,
자전거,
television,
텔레비전,
camera,
카메라,
cooked rice,
밥,
bread,
빵,
water,
물,
coffee,
커피,
milk,
우유,
meat,
고기,
fish,
생선,
fruit,
과일,
ramen,
라면,
time,
시간,
today,
오늘,
tomorrow,
내일,
yesterday,
어제,
morning,
아침,
lunchtime,
점심,
evening,
저녁,
night,
밤,
day,
날,
week,
주,
month,
달,
year,
연,
birthday,
생일,
name,
이름,
age,
날,
hobby,
취미,
dream,
꿈,
sky,
하늘,
sea,
바다,
mountain,
산,
river,
강,
forest,
숲,
weather,
날씨,
wind,
바람,
rain,
비,
snow,
눈,
sun,
해,
moon,
달,
star,
별,
face,
얼굴,
eyes,
눈,
nose,
코,
mouth,
입,
hand,
손,
foot,
발,
head,
머리,
body,
몸,
feeling,
기분,
season,
계절,
spring,
봄,
summer,
여름,
autumn,
가을,
winter,
겨울,